Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your data with AWS detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your data with AWS, begin by creating an AWS account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the AWS Management Console. From the console, select the services you plan to use for data storage, such as Amazon S3 or Amazon RDS. Start with Identity and Access Management, or IAM, to manage user permissions effectively. Create IAM users for anyone who needs access to your AWS resources. Assign each user the least privilege necessary for their tasks. Enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for an extra layer of security on these accounts. Next, configure bucket policies and access control lists for Amazon S3. Ensure only authorized users have permissions to access your S3 buckets. Encrypt your data both at rest and in transit. For S3, enable server-side encryption and consider using AWS Key Management Service for key management. When using RDS, enable encryption for your database instances as well. Implement AWS Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC, to isolate your resources in a secure environment. Create subnets within your VPC to control traffic flow. Use security groups as virtual firewalls to manage inbound and outbound traffic to your instances. Regularly monitor your AWS resources using AWS CloudTrail. Set up alerts for any unauthorized access attempts or unusual activities. Utilize AWS Config to assess compliance and monitor your AWS configurations. Conduct regular audits of your data and access settings to identify and mitigate risks. Finally, keep your AWS services updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Following these steps will greatly enhance your data security within the AWS ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.